cowling off my Starflight 6 selectric, and as you see from the inside, it says that 24:1 is the oil ratio, gas ratio. That's 1 quart of oil to 6 gallons of gas. This engine type, it's a 4-cylinder, as you can see there. This engine looks like pretty much a small car engine, the way they got it set up. But 4-cylinder. This one was between 64 and 65. You really can use 50:1. That's what I read, but I'm going to go with the 24 just in case. So here hasn't been pumped up yet. I'm going to pump the ball up. See if we get any gas in the ball. It's going, and here it's going now. There comes the gas in the ball. See that? That looks messy. So what I'm going to do is wow, there's a lot of dirt and debris coming through. Jeez. So I'm going to kind of just settle that out, let it settle. And I don't know how easy it was for you guys to see that, but it seems that yeah, you can see the dirt on the bottom. So I got some cleanliness problems with this, and I'm probably going to have to dump the first go through of the gas. I think I can do that probably just by unscrewing this and dumping the gas. So I'm going to that's too bad. Too bad. But at least I caught it. Didn't try, you know. I was going to just run it with the cowling on, but thought, oh well. You know, I had to vacuum this thing out. Yeah, I had to vacuum this engine out when I got it. Some chipmunks or something had obviously, so you can see some residue. I had made a home. There's a little chipmunk nut. But it looks like I got some other problems, just dirt from sitting for, you know, 2008 to now, 7 years. So I'm going to turn off and get to cleaning the gas.